just videos all about the art and the creative literacy, wherein there are certain habits of highly creative people, which is the creative ground, the classes for creativity, living the experience with your brain, and experiment and explore, and also replenish your creative stuff, and the last one is the great creativity.
So, okay, congrats. So, I know na kanilang na you still remember our previous topic. So this morning, let's continue our discussions. Miss Min- So, let's proceed now to our discussion. So here are four examples of eye-hand coordination. So first is in writing or so when reading lines, the eye sends visual information to the brain to tell where the hands is placed and if legible. So because I have example last meeting, when we can sa eye-hand coordination is one of the important in schooling. For example, sa kanang sa tuwa, kung saan ako ang makita sa blackboard, for example, sa blackboard na ganyan, kahit ang sulat, for example, na di ba, circle. So, ang student is, the way kanina kung siya nakita sa visual information, so ako ito ikuha sa iyang brain na, kukontrol sa iyang hand na makay suwat sa ano ang ako. So, another example is, typing on the keyboard. So, this is also one of the example na sa kanila and high animations. Kung saan ang gusto ay, kung saan ang mga information sa akin, kaya nang gano'n ako, kung ano ang type sa keyboard. So, third is when driving. So, it is uses the visual information to move the hands on the wheel, keeping the car in the middle of the lane and avoiding accidents. Diba, as a road, kinain ang mga lines, so ahatan lang tapos na ang agi. So, mga na siyang pinapawag sa awang example sa kanilang ahihan ng kung saan ako nakita mo sa another is in sports. So in daily sports, the eyes visually coordinate with the hand movement or the movement of some parts of the body called motor coordinations. So depending on the sports, either hand-eye coordinations, for example, kanyang basketball, tennis, football, so kanyang or foot-eye coordinations. Example of foot-eye coordinations is kanyang soccer, track, o kanyang futsal. Para na siya between I and coordinate and so wala pa example sa kanyang eye and coordinations. Then, sa problems and disorders related to poor eyesight, I've already discussed this last meeting. Jump on the sa eye and coordinations, development. So first is kanyang between birth and 3 years. So, let's start now to develop visions that allows them to follow slowly moving objects with their eyes. So, if you observe some pictures, di ba, hindi sa pag-ay, ang natungkol sa pag-ilan na siya, 3 years old, ang bata is nag-slow na siya o pagtula na o ganyan points. Kung sa object na yung pinakuha, is parang makagintay na siya ba? Ay, ganito ito, ano siya ba? Diba? And also between 3 and 5 years, continue na lang to develop the hand-eye coordination skills and preference for left or right-handedness. Continue to understand and use concepts in place and directions such as up, down, under, and sides. And also develop the ability to combine, balance, running, jump, push, and pull, and take stairs one at a time. And also develop eye-hand body coordinations, eye-type, and make perception. And so the next 3 to 5 years is kanyang continue ang develop sa kanyang mag-identify sa object and also nakabat idea kung sila nakabata sa kanyang pag-stand, another stages is 5 to 7 years. So there is children can improve fine motor skills such as handling, writing, rules, using scissors, and etc. Continue to develop like balancing, running, galloping, and jumping abilities. Also, continue to improve hand-eye coordinations and handedness, difference, and also learn to focus special on schoolwork hours every day. So, there are kanyang lagi mga every stages na ay kanyang development na kanyang nakuha na ang mga develop. So, kaya sa 5 to 7 years sa mga ang bata or continue ka po siya pag time or kanyang pag-isa or pag-alit ang kanyang resource. So, our application this is our application. So, before there's some takeaways.
Takeaways. Hand and eye coordination is a crucial skills to have as it helps us to complete any task such as driving, writing, and cooking. For children, good hand-eye coordination is important as it helps them better communication or communicate with the world around them and learn everyday activities such as writing and picking up chapters. Practice consistently. Consistent practice is key to improving hand-eye coordination. Set aside time each day for your child to work on specific drills and exercises, even if it's just for a few minutes. Start early. The younger the better, as these skills are crucial conditions in developing brain.
Before I take a seat, I have this goal.
Everyone remembers all education, remembers teachers, not methods and techniques. The teacher is the heart